In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make YouTube videos even if you are shy. My name is Rachel Leslie and I am nervous to make this YouTube video. I always get a little nervous when it's time to film a video and then it's time to release it to the world and share it everywhere, but I still do it. You may be wanting to start a YouTube channel, but your reason for not starting it is because you're shy, you're introverted, you're nervous, you're scared. What if you look silly on camera? What if it's not good quality? What if you get hate comments on it and you try to sell something and then nobody buys your stuff and then everybody is laughing at you secretly in Facebook groups or Instagram DMs? The truth is, none of that is actually going to happen. And yes, maybe your videos might look silly, and after you get better and better, then you can go back and delete them or unlist them. I have a lot of videos, old videos, that I made private because, yeah, I was embarrassed by them, but I still did it because I had to keep making them to get better. My channel grew from just a couple hundred subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in less than a year, being pretty consistent putting out videos. If I was more consistent, I would have had even more results, and then the channel grew from 1,000 to 5,600 of you as of right now in 1 year after that. And because of that growth, my email list just keeps growing and growing, and my Facebook group keeps growing and growing, and I get more customers. And I'm not saying that to brag, I'm just saying it to show you that it's real. I consider this channel a very small channel. I mean, I'm appreciative of all the subscribers and people watching my videos and commenting and subscribing and turning on the notifications, but it's still a pretty small channel and I'm still making a full-time income, and that's what I want to help you do. So even if you're shy, you need to realize that it's your duty to be making informative videos for your target market, for your potential customers. People want to learn things. If you know something, you can teach it to somebody else. A lot of people aren't sure what they want to make their videos about because they're not totally sure what their business is about. You may be a new entrepreneur or switching niches and industries, and that's okay. Your channel can adapt. Or if you're just not even sure what you're gonna do, it's good to just get started with making videos and talking about certain things and different things, because then you can realize, what do you like talking about? What are people actually engaging the most with? If they're engaging with it, do you like talking about those types of things on video? Do you want to be selling things that have to do with that? So for instance, you can make YouTube videos about social media for beginners, and it doesn't have to have YouTube strategies. Maybe you know something about Facebook or Instagram. Maybe you're good at Google Docs and Google Spreadsheets and Microsoft Word and Excel and doing different things on the computer. You can also make videos about that. A lot of my videos, especially when I started getting back into YouTube a year and a half ago, are tech tutorials and software reviews. And I don't have to come up with anything inspiring or profound to say in those videos. I just shared my screen and made tutorials, and I still got viewers, subscribers, people clicking my links, people clicking affiliate links and buying things. And just because I'm shy and I'm working from home alone in this room, it doesn't mean that I shouldn't be putting out videos. So just because you're shy, you're introverted, you've never done this before, you're not that good on camera, you don't look good, it really doesn't matter. There are people out there that would love to learn from your videos. Another thing to ask yourself though is, do you actually really want this? If the thought of making videos and uploading them to YouTube just makes you sick to your stomach and you really don't want to do it, don't force yourself to do it. The point of having an online business where you can work from home, from the laptop while traveling, is so that you can do what you enjoy. So if it sounds really unappealing to you to make videos for YouTube, don't do it. But if you're just feeling shy about it and you know deep down you actually want it, you want to be getting a ton of views and getting views overnight and your channel just compound growing and people really enjoying your videos and appreciating them and wanting to follow you on all your social medias and get on your email list and buy your products or your services, then let that guide you, let that motivate you and force you to get over your temporary fear. And then just a final tip, you can cut out the mess ups in a YouTube video. I really do like YouTube videos more than going live. Yes, I get nervous to do live streams, if it's a live stream on YouTube or usually Facebook or if it's Instagram, but mostly Facebook. I don't really like to go live that much, and while yes, it helps my business and it's a great way to connect with my audience, I actually feel more comfortable filming these videos because I can cut out when I mess up or when I take a break, take a breath, look at my computer at what I'm gonna say next, and if I mess up, I can just cut out that part. Another way to feel confident in doing YouTube is knowing what you're doing, knowing that you optimized your YouTube channel to the best of your ability and that you're optimizing your videos and creating them to the best of your ability. SEO optimizing them the best, putting them in a position to be monetized, not just by Google ads, but actually with the services or products that you're selling in your business. Knowing how to do that brings massive confidence and excitement. It makes it way easier to want to put out a video because you know that every time you put out a video, your business grows. It results in more sales, more leads, more subscribers. I go more into this in my free training, how I grew a 6-figure business using all free traffic methods. I'll link that training in the description below, and in the description below I'll link information on the online traffic ecosystem. It's a program that I just launched earlier this week, taking a group of students from step A to Z in starting their YouTube channel, starting their Facebook group and their online platforms, and optimizing these platforms. There was so much good feedback about the program. I got a ton of new students, and I recently closed the doors, and I've had people asking me, well, if they could still get in. So I am relaunching another round of the program with live group coaching. So just check the link in the description below. If you're watching this video weeks from now, that round might be closed and maybe another round will be open. I don't know. I might not do it like that. So just check in the description below for information on that. If this video has at all inspired you to make a YouTube video, let me know in the comments below. Let me know some of the other limiting beliefs that you have around making videos for YouTube. I'd love to chat with you in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.